Hi, Dan Clark in beautiful Bay Indies. 75-degree day, gorgeous here. Come on down and join us. Today we're at 957 Inagua, a 2002 Jacobson home. Needs a few updates as far as paint, a little bit of flooring, carpeting, and it's a magnificent Florida dream home for you. Standing here today, we're in the master bath, got double sinks with a makeup area, tile floors, got a shower stall and flush inside here. Home is all sheetrock or sheetrock paneling. Again, being a 2002 quality built manufactured home. Master. Got 3 beautiful windows in here, fan, higher ceilings, ACs above. Got a closet here as well. Got a step-in closet here that has built-in racks. Light blue in color. Hey, if it's not your color, paint it. Carpeting needs to be updated. You can do wood carpeting, whatever you'd like it to be. Good sized closet there for the ladies, and the men even gets a smaller one over here. Make our way down the hall. Guest bathroom, tiled, tub and shower with a sky tube light in the middle of it. Come across the hall, we've got the guest bedroom with a step-in closet. Again, higher ceilings. This room needs paint as well. Carpeting probably needs to be replaced, so flooring and paint, and you've got yourself a nice home. Come across the hall over here. We've got indoor laundry, tiled floor on your side entrance off your carport, your storage shed outside, wallpapered with extra shelving. Cabinets up above your laundry area. They use that as a little desk computer area. Make our way here to the living room. Again, light blue's not your color. Pick out your color you'd like it to be and paint it. A few pieces of furniture here you can keep or dispose, whichever you would like to do. Good sized living room, nice fans. Look at this room, folks. Side to side sliders with screens, concrete flooring here. Beautiful sea breezes today. Nice side entrance off of this front porch area as well that goes out to your carport. Nicely landscaped lot as well. Even got a fan up above and a little small AC unit. Come over here to the dining room, kitchen. Good sized dining area here. The hutch stays. Look at this kitchen, folks. Beautiful cabinets, drawers, cabinets all over, ceramic top, got the stainless refrigerator, 3 windows looking out across at your landscaping outside. Again, a 2002 Jacobson home, folks. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, shingled, AC's less than 5 years old, good bones, needs a little bit of cosmetics done to it with a little bit of paint, a little bit of flooring. Dan Clark, My Florida Dreams. This home's listed at $42,500. Not $80,000, not $50,000, $42,500. Give me a call, 207-807-7537.